Hi, welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? It is June. It's June 1st of 2024, and we are back for yet another stream. Kevin! CTS sounds so sarcastic with that. Behold my powers. We've also got Grandpa's iPad, who has resubbed at 44 months. Kevin has resubbed at 46 months. Thank you both for your continued support. My god, it's been so long. I hope you are all doing well. But yes, the plan for today's stream is to try and automate trading with myself, because it takes fucking forever. And if I can make a computer do it for me, great. The goal is to take all of my Pokemon and trade them onto my jailbroken Switch so that I can back them up, because I would not want to lose my shiny collection. But if you do the math, I've got like 2,000-ish shiny Pokemon, so that's a lot of fucking trades. It's gonna take a really long time, so yeah, we're gonna try and automate it to some extent, and I'm gonna do it per game, so that way the Legends Arceus shinies get backed up in Legends Arceus, the Sword and Shield Pokemon get backed up in Sword and Shield, etc., etc. So we're gonna try and do Legends Arceus today, is the plan. There's no Git repo for Pokemon. I mean, that's kind of, I mean, not exactly a Git repo, but I think my eventual goal is to put them into a database. Because almost certainly, this spreadsheet has some data errors in it somewhere, because this is all manually entered, and so there's surely mistakes somewhere in here, and it would be nice to make the data just, you know, actually consistent. But anyway, let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we will jump into things. I have two switches running today. The one that's doing raids right now, and then this one, which is going to be the one we're going to automate, and then I'm going to be manually doing this one. The eventual goal being that I run two switches that trade with each other, but obviously that is not gonna happen today. But anyway, automating one should be enough to automate the other one, and then we'll be good. Theory. At least that's the plan. But yeah, let me say hi to everyone who's here. Woosa was first today. Hello. JJMC is also here. Wait, was Woosa first here too? Yes, indeed. JJMC is also here. Grandpa's iPad, welcome back. Hello. Beldothis is also here with the bunny. Natish, welcome to the stream. Hello. We've got Maniac back from Alabama. Test and Jello. Yes, welcome to the stream. Kevin's also here. When I first subscribed, I did not have any gray hairs. I do now. This is the truth. I know that feel. I got a few in here. Kind of hard to see on stream, but trust, they're there, and they get all squiggly. But yeah, make them NFTs then, bro. It's the future. Oh man, it's been good that I have not heard NFT in so long. I feel like there's been some success there in that people have finally come around to, well, I guess more realistically, people have moved on from that grift to a completely different grift. What are you gonna do? It's all AI now. Yeah, exactly. Haven't heard Web3 in so long. Thank God. It's insane that you start getting them in your 30s. I just thought I was aging faster than the average human being, but no, it's a thing. Yeah, indeed. I think I only have one or two in both my beard and my hair. Oh, okay. You can count them too. I mean, you can just pull them out and then you don't have them, right? That's one way around it. Anyway. Okay, so I was thinking to start this, I'm just going to run through something manually with code, or without code. Because I don't even know like what states I need to handle for, what I need to think about. Like I have kind of some ideas in my head, but I don't really know quite what that looks like. So let's start this up. Can I actually zoom out? Is that a thing I can do? Can I resize this? No. Oh, this is the old version. So maybe if I... Also, we're still on the old virtual machine because I haven't updated yet. Maybe if I remake this, then the newer version of CV2 will let me resize that window. That would be nice. I don't think it's gonna happen, but it would be nice. I want to embrace that. Nice. If I'm Santa Claus in my 40s, I'll just go with it. Hey, there you go. Stonkfish says, what if we AI to NFT our Web3? Stonkfish, why? Also, welcome back. Good to see you again. Let's see. Can I shrink this down? Damn. Zoom out. Fuck. Yeah, I thought maybe this would let me do that. But I guess not. Okay, so this is gonna be really annoying, but that's fine. I think I'm gonna start the state inside the trade screen just to make it easier. Oh, I gotta enter a code. 1111111 plus. God, stop. Okay, so that's the code I'm using. Don't steal my code. It's local. You would have to be outside my house for it to work. So I made a drastic switch of editor last week, and I've used it for a week. Now, betraying DTE, you could call it cheating. Mind guessing what editor? Well, my chatbot guessed an editor. I don't think it's that one. What was DTE again? I don't even remember. Oh, this has sound off. So I'm also dialing into the trading here. And hopefully that'll get it connected, and then we can start figuring out what this is gonna look like. Bunch ones. It's mouse driven. Are you in VS Code? No way. Did you get it? Return to basics. Searching for a link trade. Communication interrupted. Well, that's really gonna throw this off if I can't trade with myself. Hello? Hello? This is gonna suck if this isn't gonna work. Searching for a trade partner. Yes, please work. Say over here. Is created in Bell Laboratories. Wait, are you using Emacs? Communication was interrupted. What the fuck? Okay, we're gonna. I know this works because I've done it before. Someone nearby. Yes. 1. Let's see if I make this one the primary instead of that one, if it works better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 extra blue and then plus. Come on, connect. Well, it doesn't connect. I don't know what I'm gonna fucking do this stream. I missed Uga.dev. Uga.dev. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Come on. Light switch is right fucking here. Do I have to like hold it over here for this to work? Please? Come on, game. Why isn't it working? Acme. Oh. Never heard of that one. This is terrible. I should have tested this before the stream started. I don't know why it isn't working though. I wonder if I take it off the dock and hold it in my hand and try and do this, if it'll work. I don't think either of them are in airplane mode, or it wouldn't even try. It is trying a little bit longer this time though, so something might be happening. But it should be instant. Like, it should be right here. No syntax hiding, no config files, no smart indentation, just text. And flawless Unix integrations. Oh. Cat Peasant! Hello, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. This sucks. What the fuck? I gotta stand up and grab the other switch and see if maybe it's mad because I have way too much tech in between the two. Well, let me see. All right, they are right next to each other. Surely they should work, right? Fluffy.cc, that's what we use. This is absurd. Why isn't this working? Let me try this again. Talk to the lady. I would like to trade. Someone nearby. Software was closed due to an error. Okay. I got a crash. That's good. Where is X is here? Hello, hello. It's been so long. I hope you're doing well. Don't mind me just juggling switches here. But how are you doing? Oh. Here's what I'm doing right now. What do we got, Kevin? What does this snarf button do? I wonder if I have the same game version. Because it could be that I just have an old install of this. Snarf is copy? Yeah, cut, paste, snarf, sort, Xerox, del call? I think it's funny that snarf is copy. I want to trade Pokemon. Someone nearby. Yes. 1. Yes. Time for a link trade. Work. Damn it. We got both of the games again. I wonder if I need to restart my switches. Sometimes that happens with the like network stuff. Oh, this is so annoying. I can't get my switches to talk to each other. Look, they got the same link code and they're just not doing it. No trade. Oh, trade partner found. Oh! Yeah, I just needed to look at you funny. Okay, great. So now, in theory, we can actually start working on this. What do you... you decided not to walk in front of the camera? Yes. Cozy. They're gonna know. I mean... yeah. Are the Joy-Cons custom? No, they're Nintendo ones. I just got them on Amazon. They're not the other ones. Ethan! Hey Anthony, hey chat. Nice. Ethan, good to see you again. Thank you for the resub at 52 months. 52 months. Isn't that nuts? Is one more than 51, yeah. Yeah. Kind of crazy. How long have I been streaming? 60 months? Almost 60 months. Getting close. Look at it funny or look at snarf funny, yeah. we're snarfing here. Yeah? Kevin has a thing called snarf in his editor. Where is X? Thank you for the resub at 31 months. Oh, you have the fanciest badge, so that means you get this other fancy badge. Welcome back. It's good to see you again, and I hope you're doing well. And I appreciate your continued support. Why are my eyes bleeding? Yeah, no, this is Kevin's editor. Yeah. Kevin's spooky editor. Oh, you're writing Go in it too. Terrifying. Okay, so let's look at this. So I think what I'm going to do manually, just without code, is to get to this screen here. And this will be the starting screen, I think. So let's see. We need to know what index we're trading from, because I think I'm just going to make the script trade one box and be good. And maybe once we get one box working, then we'll do 2 boxes. Maybe. We'll see. So we need to know which Pokemon we're at. So Pokemon IDX. And is there anything on this screen that gives me an indication that we're here? Oh, probably this text up in the top. So let's grab that. Where did that go? Inverted true, because it's dark mode. Okay, so start trading screen. We'll have this, and then we'll press A. Happens when we press A. Nothing. Oh, right, because the controller's not hooked up yet. Okay, so then it gets to this. I don't think this is going to show up in the same spot everywhere. So, that's tricky. Because, let's see, if we press B, then we're over here. We could figure out where on the screen it's supposed to show up. Let's see if it's consistent with the bottom row. Oh, we looped around. It's always to the right of there. Okay, so we could probably compute where it is on screen. Yeah, because it does seem consistent at least. That's tricky though, because I don't want to math. I don't want to math this. Maybe we just press A and hope that it works. Yeah. Okay, so press A twice. And then it should get to the communicating screen. Here. And then we should get this text. Rate it. We're not inverted because we're normal mode. And then if we press A again. Press A, and we press A over here, and then it should trade. Theory. Communicating. Why is this so slow? What's going on? Okay, it's working. It's working! Hey, it's working! Code isn't working yet, but. What game is this? Your space game? Not the Australian Animal Crossing? Is this the sushi game? Not the sushi game, not the Animal Crossing game. Okay. Alright, so this trade should go through, and this trade animation takes forever, which is why I don't want to do this over and over. And then in theory it should take us back to the trade screen. I hope. Yes. Oh, and the cursor is stateful. Oh. Oh. Box position is stateful. So the one way I could do this is I could kind of snake around this. That would make this the minimal presses. But that seems annoying. I wish it wasn't stateful. If it wasn't stateful, this would be easier. Freedom Dow says this is a Python game. No, this is a game on the Nintendo Switch. And I am trying to automate it with Python. I'm actually going to trade that Pokemon back so that we're back to the original state. And then we'll start, I guess, writing code, because I think we're actually into this. Am I going to use GPT? What? How did you get through the banned words list? That's on the banned words list. Oh no, I think I have GPT-3 banned, but not GPT-4. Fuck! How do I ban GPT-4 also? Ugh, I'm gonna have to do fucking GPT-O and whatever the other goddamn names they come out with. It's the community? No. Content? Where do they put this stupid menu? I wish D-Elf were here. He knows where it is. Settings moderation? That sounds like it. GPT 3.1? Yeah. Block terms. Here we go. Oh, I have GPT, Chat GPT, and Chat GPT, and GPT 3, but not GPT 4. We're gonna add GPT 4, and you know what? We're gonna add GPT 5. We're gonna get a little future proof here. Have you heard about /v GPT.start? Yeah. That would be the dream. But alas, yeah, okay. Should be good there. Chad GPT Misty's nuts. Hello, hello. How you doing? Alright, so now you GPT 4 over. God fucking damn it. I do know that's a thing. I have heard of that one. But no, why the fuck would I why would I do that when I have perfectly good means of doing it without that? Okay, so let's put you up in the right position. Oh. Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we need to figure out GTP4? Yeah. You also have, if you have VIP, you bypass the filters, so I'm pretty sure you all can say the banned words, like mods and VIPs can say things like line numbers. But don't abuse it. You earned that badge. Okay. I'll just put base 64 banned words. I'm not gonna base on 64 or whatever nonsense you put in there. Scripts, arceus, trade. This is probably the shortest script. Yeah, so we'll start with this one. Scripts, arceus, trade.py. Okay. So S1 cubed. No, oh shit. I didn't even think of that. Oh, someone's gonna come in here and be like, bro, is this your NFT Pokemons? Fuck. S1 Cube, thank you for the resub at 37 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And I appreciate you stopping by and your continued support. Okay, so yeah, I think we're gonna do an initial state, which is going to reuse this guy here. So we should be in this state if we're at the start. And we should have, oh, but the arrow moves. Okay, so that's not gonna work. I wonder if I can use the little outline here. Oh, it shows me what Pokemon that I have on this other Switch, which is kind of interesting. Initial token offering win? No. 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 Because I kind of want to check that it's in the... I guess we can check the pixels of this, that they're the right color. That should be fairly consistent. Yeah, it should work. Sure, this seems fine. All match. Select and first slot. And then if that is true, we will press A and we'll wait 500 milliseconds. We'll press A again. Yeah. So then that will take us to wait for trade it. Wait for trade it. Another state here. That state we will check for. Oh no! I got disconnected. Fuck. We'll wait for shit. Redo this again. Damn it. There must be just like too much technology happening in this room. Yeah, I don't know why Freedom DAO gave us their password. I don't know what their deal is with that, but okay. So we should press A, and then we gotta wait for the wait for traded, and wait for traded. Will take us to select, and we will make a move state. And we'll figure out the movement based on that. So we'll say idx equals 0. And we will do a traded callback. Yeah. Traded. Serial. Local idx plus equals 1. Okay. And move will do move and then nothing and then to initial. Oh shit, but initial has this problem. We don't actually want to do this. Yeah, because we want this checks that we're in the first slot. So we don't want to always check that we're in the first slot. We just want to check that we have something tradable. Yeah. So this actually just goes to trade. Oh, and we also have to do... we also have to do like if we've already traded the whole box, so that'll happen when it becomes 30. We will quit. Okay, I think this sketch mostly seems right. We just need to figure out the move. Oh, but move needs to be in action. Yeah, so I guess we can do move. Def move. Okay, so we know if we are mod 6, then we need to 6, or is it mod 6? Yeah, okay, so 0. At 1 we move to the right, 2 we move here, 3 we move here, 4 we move here, 5 we move here, 6 we move down. Okay. If idx mod 6 is equal to 0, then we do press down. I guess we can just say dir equals s. And so then we need a stripy pattern. So if we're less than 6, we move here. If we're greater than 6, we move here, 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 and here. So I think that's what? How do I represent that with maths? We kind of want an even odd. Yeah, so if we divide by 6, we integer divide by 6. Let's see. So 1 integer divide by 6 mod 2 will give us 0. So we'll say that's the right. And let's say we're at 7. That'll be left. So this is 7, we'll go left. And then 8, 9, 10, 11, still going left. 12 will go down, so that's fine. 12 goes down. And then 13 goes right again. 14, 15, 16, 17. 18 is one of the down presses. Okay, so I think that works. Oops. A little bit of math. LF idx integer divide 6 mod 2 is equal to 0. Then direction equals, it's 0, we're going right. Otherwise we go left. So then we do press go, wait 4.5. There. I think that's it. I think that's all we need to do here. So let's set up the linters and go with this. I want to start an open source. What do you recommend me to start? Some repo and Node, JavaScript, C++, and Java, and Python? I would just stick to one language and try and build a project. Are we trading Pokemanes with? I'm trading with myself. Yeah. Yeah, we're trading with myself so that I can put all of my shiny Pokemon onto my hacked Switch. So that I can back them up. This is basically just me trying to make it easier to back up my Pokemon. Okay, so these states aren't actually that complicated. All right, start our initial, make sure we're on the first Pokemon, and we're on the select screen. We do nothing, we go to trade, the select screen is still there. We press A twice. We wait for the trade dialog. Once the trade dialog is there, we press A again. We wait for it to be traded, aka this select box comes back. Once traded has happened, we use that to increment our counter. Is states a type dict? It is not. States is it should be dict stir tuple action, or tuple, what did I call the checkers? I don't remember what I called them. But states is not a type dict, it's an alias, which I'm also kind of against aliases. Usually they're not that great, but yeah. Mapping stir tuple matcher action stir. So yeah, not a type dict. Yeah, this seems fine. I really have this like pattern over and over where I have like a counter and non-local. I wonder if I should just make a actual counter class. Let's see if that would make things better. Because we do like an increment counter here. We also have a timer. I wonder if we could do with a timer and a counter. Let's see, non-local shaky. Ah, yes, I remember this. What was shaky again? Tuple stir int. Okay, so that one we can't do. This one, this one, yeah, this one is another one where counter could be used. Like, is 0. Lesbian Monad, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. How you doing? Start and pause. Oh, that's the debugger. We don't care about that one. This is also the debugger again. Here's a timer one. Yeah, so I feel like I could replace the timer pretty easily. Here's a counter. Yeah. I wonder who I am. Doing well? How about you? I'm guessing you're Kexit. Am I right? 999 plus messages. Yeah, this is definitely Kexit. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. You have a new name. Set N. Yeah, I think we could make a counter and make this better. Do we bother? Let's see. Engine. I think I have other stuff like that in here. Like I have a timeout. Yeah, okay, so maybe we make another thing like that. So counter. In 0, none. Gotta rescue this. Another streamer convinced you to change. Great username. Yeah, that's a good one. Let's see. Is it bool in Is that the I can never remember because I rarely use it. I can never remember whether it's bool or non-zero because non-zero is the I think the Python 2 version. Hep5, hello, hello, welcome back. I am the best Latino streamer. I have gotten a bit of a tan, so I can see that now. What is this face? What? Hep5, this is Hep5's bit every single time. I'm the best Latino streamer. I'm to be completely clear. I am not Latino, and I'm not trying to be Latino. I just think it's funny. Oh, I just splashed myself in the face. Deserved. Okay, so I think we can make an increment. Oh, but increment needs to be an action. So this needs to return an action. Yeah. Oh, and this needs to be Yeah, maybe we do this some other way. Decrement, self, action. These are easy though. Decrement, implevid, object, sir, object to none, self dot, and minus equals 1. Balwa, thank you for the resub with Prime. At 16 months. Antonio is screaming. Codiga. Is that how they is that what we usually what Spanish for code? Nice. Standard Pointer. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Sup, fuck it, we write. Everyone's changing their names, making me real confusing. Don't forget to release the crop top merch. I have forgotten that, so maybe I should remind it. Lesbian Monad says, great times trying to figure out how the fuck I got a certain SHA-256 checksum. Unless you know your approaches, it's basically impossible. So good luck with that one. Escribe, yes. Okay, so we got increment, decrement, and then we probably want an equals self with end int to be a checker. What a matcher. Def equals impl frame object to none or to bool, and then return self.n equals n. And we probably just want a convenient non-zero check. Yeah, I think this will be useful. Hopefully. Quiero Antonio escribe código crop tops. What? It's almost summer. It's basically summer here. It's real hot here. Although maybe not today. What are you doing now? In the space intestines? Do you yearn for the mines? Oh. Oh, you're an auto miner? Oh. It's fucking cold. Cold in Franchland. Okay, I'm gonna go on a tangent and try and replace some of the other non-locals with counter. Just because that seems like something worth doing. Oh, what is all this stuff? I don't need this anymore. Let's see if I can get back into the trade. Well, actually, I'm just gonna do this so it doesn't time out. All right. Non-local. What can we replace with counter? Increment sessions. Yeah, that can be a counter. What was checker? Oh, I see. This is my standard, my space-time distortion. Oh, yeah, look at that. Counter. Counter equals. Hey, where was the sessions count here? Counter. Increment sessions. What is T0 used for? Oh, display time. That looks dumb. That looks kind of dumb. I should probably make a timing thing here as well. N. Argument 3 to do. Oh, this is a function, but I actually want it to be a property. That would make this more convenient. Oh, and if it's a property, I can just do this. That's way simple. Way simpler. this one has to be a callback because it needs to return that. And this can be a property. Yeah, that'll make this more convenient. Argument 3 to do has incompatible type. What is it mad about? Anthony yearns to escribir. Isn't that redundant? Because escribir is unconjugated, so it already has the 2 there. Oh my fucking god. Oh right. Yeah, ignore all those. Oh, because it has the numpy types now. God damn it. Okay, we need. We'll run another brickman. You figured out the SHA? No way. Okay, what is the actual error that we're getting here? Self is not defined. Okay. Oh, that's definitely it. Yeah, I forgot to make these methods. Duh. Hey, nice. Okay. So I think I should also make a timing thing here as well. Oh, it started a raid. Look at that. A rare raid. Normal type. And I actually kind of want to see how much damage this does because I have not seen one of the normals happen. Oh, a lot. Okay, yeah. It's, okay. Reset. So vid object ser object none. Dynamic Grammar's AUR package is up to date. Oh. Shit. Both my switches did the same thing. Okay. Reset self.t0 equals time.monotonic. When did this become a Spanish soap opera stream? I don't know. I'm thinking about a problem with this in that it actually represents a time and a duration. Which is harder to make reusable, I think. So let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's just make counter work everywhere. Yeah. Must be saved. Oh, okay, well. Did I... Why isn't my shift key working? There we go. Okay, this is in a good space now. So relint this, should be good. Should be able to move on to the next file. Line too long. Ah. This actually isn't increment sessions anymore. It's more like record time. Which can here. Record time. Up to 5 loves tacos. A lot of damage. Nice. Okay, and I healed. That was the thing I was worried about, was healing off the damage. But it looks like it does pretty good at that. Okay, so that looks good. On to the next one. Non-local shaky. This is not one that we can do. There's another timing one though, with a duration. That's has an opportunity. Okay, this is one that we can do. So We can import our counter. And oh. I've actually realized that I've implemented this wrong. This is actually what I meant to do. Non-zero is the opposite of this. The power up. Maybe we call this power up count. And we initialize it with 22. Oh, you also need a way to set it to a particular value. Power up on. So power up counts dot 0. Power up used. Power up counts dot decrement. So do that. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. That seems nice. Let's make that a thing though. Maybe this should go up. Yeah, that seems good. This is essentially a fancy class around an integer, though. Okay, we don't need you anymore. Under this. Okay, so we just have the shaky and the timer and the duration. Okay. That one seems improved. Start pause. This is the debugger. This is also the debugger. This is a timer. Here we have an increment. Okay. So we can say count equals counter. Count dot increment. Boop, boop, boop. And then we need to use content in. I want to say, if I remember well, you guys were in Canada recently. How was it? I did go to Canada like a month and a half ago. So Tina didn't join. Because you didn't have your passport. And then I was in Vienna recently. Tina also didn't join because she didn't want to go. Am I representing that correctly? Sure. They were both fine. Vienna was was a lot. A lot of work stuff. And but overall fine. Okay, let's see what the linter says. I forgot to import counter. Okay, yeah. There. Cool. That seems better. Non-local. Trade 1. Out. Okay, this is easy. LGPE/Eggy. I went to Italy? No, I went to Vienna. Count equals counter arcs.n. Count dot 0. 0. Trade 1. Count dot decrement. Oh, I tried to macOS that. Weird. Trade 1, reset n. Count dot set to arcs dot n. I did it again. I've been doing too much work. It's pretty good. Counter's not defined again. I'm so American, I thought they were the same place, Qualsy. Oh no! Yeah, Vienna, I think you're confusing Vienna and Venice, which is fair. Those are easy to confuse. But the Vienna is in Austria, Venice is in Italy. I have been to Venice before. But yeah, a little bit different. Non-local toggle. Oh, that's kind of a cool thing that I could do also. Toggle fight. Oh, this was quite the state machine. I remember this. We also have a counter here. Oh, it increments by a number though. Decreases. Okay. This is such a complicated one. But I think we can adapt our counter to do that. Let's see. I know we're getting a little sidetracked here, but I think this is cool. I'm excited about building this class, even though I'm never going to run any of these old scripts, but I think to make them all better is kind of nice. There's also Venice Beach, true, and that's California. Ideal Gas, hello, hello, how you doing? Ideal Gas says, me too, thank goodness I know now, so I won't embarrass myself. There you go. Hungry isn't a group of hungry people. Yeah, I definitely, yes. I know this place from Tony Hawk's games. Yes, that is where most people get Venice Beach from. The crazy thing is it's very much like the games in real life. There are muscle bros everywhere. Unless it's cold, and then it's sad. I've been to Venice Beach twice. Once while it was like overcast and kind of chilly. And another time where there were bros everywhere. Simple. Oh, we actually want decrement by though. Oh no, we want increment by. Yeah. No, self-taught n plus equals n. Okay. So can LEPA max PP minus PP is greater than or equal to 10. How do I represent that? That seems tricky. This actually probably doesn't need to be assigned out like this. Let's do that. Do you like to take pictures when you travel, or you're a live in the moment kind of guy? I don't really take many pictures. I'm bad at taking pictures. Okay, so this is gonna be a comma counter. So can lepa. You can just start by doing this. At the very least. Used lepa. Oh, but we actually print some stuff here too. Okay, this one is a little bit trickier. Because I do like these prints. They are helpful. You know what, maybe we skip this one. Maybe we skip this one. Because it's more complicated. And then we don't need this. Yeah. Yeah, we'll skip that one. Okay. Move box. Box name. Okay, that one we don't need to change. This is a timer. Debug, you have n eggs currently. This one we could replace as well, but it's tricky. You know what? Maybe I don't refactor all the old ones. Maybe we don't refactor all the old ones. We kind of have an idea of like how they would get used. So let's just let's discard the changes to the old ones. Just because I don't feel like going through all of them. We have a thing that we know we like, so let's just use it in the new script. Yeah. Okay, so we have a new counter, and we're gonna use it. Scripts, arceus trade, IDX. So we have what? We have, this is a counter, and then traded is going to be counter.increment. Did it again. I've been doing too much work, been doing not enough streaming. Okay, so now we can do counter.n, counter.n. So all of that to eliminate 2 lines of code. Maybe not worth it. Okay. Counter is not defined. Oh. Counter with pause. Now what are you mad about? IDX. Oh, okay. So then we can use counter dot equals 30. We're done. That is nicer. I like this. Counter, yeah. Pause. Post. Pause. Okay. All right. Let's try this then. We should be able. I think the script will just work. Famous last words. Let's jump into the trade. Every time I see your script, I keep thinking of bytecode. It is very state machiney, like not, you know, oops. Not like, it's like very assembly like, I feel. Or at least when I write it, I feel like I'm writing an assembly program. It's a lot of like go-to-isk code. Well, he says Prage. Yeah, the other problem is like, can we get the 2 switches to connect again? Because I don't know why they're having such a hard time. I guess there is a big chunky monitor in between the 2 screens, so could be it. Shouldn't have this much trouble. Who would have thought? I thought that the wireless connect. Make a Python compiler that compiles Python code down to that bytecode. Oh, trade partner found! Yo, let's go! Okay, so I should be able to kick off the script now, and I will trade over here, and it will trade there. Surely nothing will go wrong. Let's try it though. Okay, I need to also do this. Trade. Okay, the first one is working so far. It's working. But the second one is where it gets tricky. What the fuck? What is it printing here? What the hell is this? What have I done? What is this garbage here? What is the output? What is this? Where did that come from? Did somebody leave some debug messages and some shit that I'm using? That's not my code. I wouldn't have printed something like that. Okay, so it should have noticed that we're back on the select screen. Something's fucked up. What the hell happened? Voting, please? I mean, yeah, we should have voted. What happened here? What is this output from? Bottom, top. Okay, so it got to the wait for trade. Wait for traded. Oh. It pressed A and didn't wait long enough. It needs to wait for the menu to show up, I think. Something happened. Something went wrong. I need to figure out what the fuck is printing this message. This garbage. Oh, I bet it's this. No? What printed this? Where did it come from? I saw a print in some is. I don't like this isn't my code. Some dependency that I have is printing this. Am I automating game? Yes, I am. I'm gonna trade these back because we gotta figure out where the fuck that is coming from. Because I cannot deal with that output. Now I gotta figure out who screwed that up. Not me. But I think I probably need some sleeps in there. It's so spooky, yeah. Hopefully I can find it pretty easily though. Read it. Pi Auto GUI? No, this is a Nintendo Switch. It's all stuff that I wrote. It's running. First one, perfect. This microcontroller. Communicating. Oh, I need to press A again. Yeah. Raytheon, welcome to the stream, but spelled different. The print in the is checks. This seems fairly. Rep-R this. Yeah. No, it's not the I'm not at work. RL? Tesseract. No. Really? But it doesn't print it over here. So we have 262 there. Have 270 here. So something changed there. Tesser OCR GitHub. Is this NeoVim says Weedkend? No, it's not. There's someone else is complaining about this. surely someone else should complain about this, right? Nope. Well, let's see what changed. Passing config, stub file. Expose Leptonica's log level setting. Why is it defaulting to annoying as fuck though? How do I find that actual change? There's not that many commits, so surely it should be easy to find. Blah 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 blah. Version bump last year, so this should have been the 262 bump, 260 bump. Okay, so it's after that. Get workflow Cython, blah blah. Updated Cython dependency. Data path. Did they bungle it into some other commit that makes this not helpful? Oh, here we go. Oh, so they changed the default severity and not in a pull request. Oh, that's so gross. That fucking sucks. Okay, well let's that sucks. Can we change the default back to silenced? I was quite a surprise to see a lot of output when upgrading tester OCR. I was not seeing before. Yeah. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna downgrade tester OCR. Because that's the easiest way to fix my problem here. Okay, so let's try this again since it didn't do what I wanted. Thingy open? Yeah. Chose to quit! Like fucking hell I did! They both say the same thing. Your partner chose to quit. That's some fake fucking news right there. But there's something broken with the code too, so gotta fix something anyway. What is that emote, Qualsy? That's a wild one. Warning, leak object. The fuck is this? We leaked the training data. That seems new. Also, anyway, we're gonna pretend that didn't happen. Yeah. Alright, let's try and set this up again. I'm new to code. I'm using VS Code. Nice. Yeah, I mean, whatever you want to do, make it happen. Alright, go back into the trade again. I want to trade Pokemon. Nearby. Someone forgot a deck ref? Yeah, I don't think it's me because I did not write any trash people here. Real loud outside. Up in the trade over here. Nearby. Yeah. Okay. I don't know if I use this thing, so that's probably a problem. Grips, arceus trade. Ring! Hey, we got a raid from Shups Almighty. Thank you for the raid. Welcome to the stream, raiders. My name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python stuff. Today we are trying to automate Pokemon trades on a real Switch. Well, not this one. The other one is off screen. Got a raid run. Sounds good. Sounds good. Well, thank you for stopping by. Hope your stream was great. And I'll see you around in the future. And my viewers should check out your chat as well. The missus will murder me. Yeah. Yeah. No, I can't say that because then I'll get murdered. Yeah. Buddyland, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Nice alien keyboard. It's yeah, something like that. Okay, so I did actually have the right text here. I probably need to wait before pressing buttons here in some way. Would be my guess. The other problem is I bet. Oh, I wonder if this text up here doesn't go away. That would. Okay, we offer up. Oh, it's still there. Fuck. Okay, so we can't use this text here. We gotta find some other thing that happens. Oh, I didn't even think about that. Because we basically need to... you know what we can do? We can just... Once we pressed A here, we can wait for some text to go away. Yeah, like we can wait for the text, the select text to disappear. Are there 2 space-bars? There are 2 space-bars. Mickey Ang, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, okay, so we can wait for the select text to go away. Makes it a little bit more complicated, but not impossible. So we gotta sort of wait for traded. For trade start. Wait for trade start. We'll just do select, do wait for trade start. Then always matches, do wait for traded. Okay, so now it'll press A. It'll wait for the trade to start by the select thing disappearing. Then it will wait for it to reappear. And then it'll do its movement and continue. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. All right, let's trade these back. Bop. Trade it. Trade it. Ripley, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. And okay, so that one will go manually, and then we can do a little gamble here. Let's see. Will the trading work? Question mark. Yes, no. We'll give you no. We don't need 3 options. We'll give you a minute to gamble your points. My Twitch shows Shep still streaming. Oh, did they forget to click end stream? I've done that a few times. Fortunately, I have not done anything incriminating while I forgot to end stream. Is their stream setup still going? Oh no. Okay, it's just a blank screen though, so that's fine. They're doing okay there. Okay. Everything's fine there. Great. Everybody says, what are you working on? Oh, and then the bot replied. Look at that. Fancy bot. Okay, so I should be able to cancel out of this. And our gamble is up. What are we at? We got 5 yeses and 4 nos. JJMC's our big doubter. Woo says our big believer. All right. Scripts arceus.trade. Okay, so it should do the first trade. I gotta also trade at the same time. My god, it's so much faster than I am at clicking trade it. Good robot. Yeah, the bot did great there. Okay, so waiting for the trade start. We're in the correct state right now, which is good. Okay, waiting for trade it. Good, good. Twitch bugged and did not let me bet more than 10. Oh no. Well, you were a doubter anyway, so. I'm not a believer, just a gambler. At least you're honest, yeah. That's funny. We're gonna be seeing a lot of this trade animation, unfortunately. Sorry about that. That's the way things go. Okay, so after this, we might need a sleep. There might need a sleep here. I'm hoping not. I'm hoping the little dialogue is interactable as soon as it appears. Oh, look at that. Didn't need to sleep there. On to the second trade. You have too many babbies? Okay, fair enough. Mickey Yang, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. You also joined just recently. I said hi to you. And now I've said hi to you twice. Perfect. 400k? Damn. I guess you do show up to most streams, so. And what, how many streams in a row now? You gonna share your little stream streak in chat? Okay, so the big question is, like, that worked once. Let's see if it works the rest of the times. Feeling very welcomed out. Perfect. Okay, did the worm pull? Good. And if this goes correctly, all of them should end up being scythers, because that's what I'm trading from the other side. I'm really curious on whether it's going to do the little sneaking like I wanted it to. Yeah. I owe you an apology. I was not familiar with your game. Yeah, JJMC's got a few more babbies than you. Kicks it. I mostly lurk. Fair enough. I think most people mostly lurk, which is fine. Okay, this is working. It's working. Okay, went on to the next one. I think I'm gonna call it successful if it wraps around properly. Although maybe it needs to do 2 wraps. Where's Marsha? Right? Probably sleeping. I'd guess. Ideal Gas believes. Ideal Gas is a real OG. Although I don't think the follow age command works anymore, unfortunately. But you followed in like 2018, right? Oh, no, 2019. It was still quite a while ago. But wait, I thought you were around in 2018. Either way, you've been here for a very, very long time. Okay, Kadabra. November 9th, 2019. Yeah. Forever ago. Oh, I forgot to click here. Okay, it's not broken. I just forgot to click. I can see follow age if I click username in chat. Yeah, I did the same thing. I was like, when was it? Oh, 2019. Yeah. Kadabra. Please don't sue me, Yuri Geller. Usa says bless you. Sniffly. Are you feeling any better? Oh. Wolf goes, yeah. Says hello, new around here. No, you've been here before. I remember your name. Also, I can see that you're not first chat here. But I remember going, yeah, and then someone clipping it. Oh shit, I gotta sit through an evolution screen. Oh, that's a problem. I didn't even think about that. Before I trade these Pokemon, I need to give them Everstones. Oh. Not every single one, but just the ones that will trade evolve. Oh, that's so obnoxious. Oh. Yeah, that'd be really annoying. Why is it always Scyther? Here, I'll show you. Because I filled up all the boxes on this game with just Scythers. Oh, but the Pokemon evolving sucks. Anyway, sorry. I ignored your message, Wolf. Anything you could share with us for people hoping to live off of open source projects? Gonna be brutally honest here. I have tried for so long to be in that situation, and I'm pretty sure unless you make like the absolute most popular JavaScript library, it's never gonna fucking happen. Front-end devs aren't gonna pay, but the front-end libraries are like the only thing that people are gonna sustainably sponsor. Or you build a service around your open source tool, which is what I'm also trying to do, and I've also not succeeded completely in that. I mean, it's profitable, but it's ramen profitable. It's not Lambo profitable. It's not quit my day job profitable. Hello, Matt Barry. Hello, welcome. You've also been here before, but nah, I don't remember your username though. I just know that you've been here before because of the chat message thing, but that's cheating. That's cheating on my part. Oops, I almost clicked timeout. We don't want that. Oh, it's funny because last time you were here, you also replied the same thing. Full-time open source maintainer is not buckets of money. We were talking about exactly the same thing last time you were here. That's funny. Mars is also here. Hello. Oh, right, it's Pride Month. Happy Pride Month. You didn't use PHP, so it's not Lambo's profitable? Interesting deja vu, right? Okay, so it's working so far. I do want to see it wrap around one more, though. Yeah. Oh, and then if this works, maybe we'll do another game. Maybe we can do like Sword and Shield. Although I don't have a box full of trade dudes for Sword and Shield yet. Working in open source, have you seen the issues of free stuff on GitHub? People are awful. Yeah. Yeah, people are monsters. What are you gonna do? Shinx is blasting off again. It's true. Ashita Brown says, like, is even JavaScript? I hope they don't get paid. Because there's no fucking reason for their shit to exist. Wolf Goes Nyana says, I'm gonna have to trust the Twitch first time chat thingy. Yeah. Is this a hobby Pokemon project running on an emulator? No, this is running on a real device. Oops. A real device. I swear I had this tab open. Yeah, here we go. I'm running on a real device. I'm using a microcontroller to send button presses to the Switch, and they're coming from this, which is connected to my computer. So USB to UART, which tells serial to this, and then it communicates with the Switch. So it's I mean, this is the other Switch that I am manually pressing buttons on, but this is a screen capture from a capture card that is playing the game also. So it's basically a hobby thing, but I've done quite a few of this sort of automation, and so like you can see the other one. There's another one running below. That one's trying to do raids in Scarlet and Violet, and so I wrote my own like raid AI, and it detects what Pokemon it is and what type it is, and picks a decent matchup against it, and then tries to win and catch it. Try and find shiny Pokemon. But yeah, that's what's sort of going on here. Bun presses. No, not buns. Buttons. Pretty sure this has surpassed hobby and transcended into addiction. It's been an addiction long before Long time ago, even before I started doing this automation. But yeah, what is the count up to now? 2,141 shiny Pokemon. Yeah, it is, and that counts probably undercounting things. Which is another reason why I'm doing this, so that I can actually get accurate counts, because there's no way my spreadsheet is correct. But it's pretty close, surely. Like Obsession, been there, yeah. But it's I enjoy it, so. Okay, did it do the Bibarel? It did. I think this is working. This is going well. Is Umbreon your Pokesona? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. X, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. Good afternoon. Indeed. But this feels like it's working. We need the next one. Once the next one works, I'm gonna say that this is working well. Could do a whole box. I think I'm just gonna do one box at a time, which is probably fine. Maybe I'll make it beep at the end. Oh, I should make it beep at the end. Yeah. That way I know to go do the next box. Who's that Pokemon? Says Chanhu. That's a Scyther and a Bibarel. It's Pikachu! Fuck! Okay, yeah, it did do the next one. Sweet. Okay, so well, actually, no. I need to see one more than this, because I need to see that it goes to the other direction after it. Pretty sure it does. Pretty sure my math's correct, but wanna make sure it works. And then I need to trade these back. That's gonna suck. I'll do that off camera. That sounds annoying. Rocket dropped a Who's That Pokemon twice in the first Pokemon movie. Hey. Self-aware. At least they're there. Yeah, and the eventual goal of this is to just hook up 2 switches and have them trade with themselves, so that I don't have to do this part. And it should work. I should just be able to run the script twice. As long as it goes to right here, yeah, we're gonna call that good then. Okay, let's resolve that prediction. Choose outcome. Will the trading work? Yes. Complete prediction. Sweet. Shepselmoney says, so why are you writing this? Why make the auto trader? So the goal is, well, the problem is that I have collected a shit ton of shiny Pokemon. A lot of shiny Pokemon. Thousands of shiny Pokemon. And I wouldn't want them to just go away. I wouldn't want them to disappear. So what I want to do is, this is a hacked switch, specifically hacked so I can do this. I can trade my Pokemon onto here, and then I can back them up. And so the auto trading is because I don't want to make 2,000 trades to myself. I want to be able to trade, just like set up the boxes and have it go, and get them onto the hack switch, and then I can do save backups. Literally just so I can back up my shiny Pokemon. And the reason that this is separate from my normal Switch profile is because I don't want to get my profile banned, and so this is essentially air gapped. Like, doesn't have the Wi-Fi password on this at all, and so this has to, live completely separately from my other Switch. But I will trade back and forth between them to back them up, and that's the reason. That's why I'm doing this at all. But we got this working. That's a very good reason. Yeah, I don't want to lose my thousands of shiny Pokemon. That would make me very sad. So now this is working. Let's actually commit it. Git add -p, because we don't want to do that part, but we do want to do this thing and not that part. Scripts arceus trade. And script to automate trades. Oh, we want to make it beep. Yeah. Because we can make it beep by doing this. I don't know if you can hear the beep, but beep. 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 We want to make a beep at the end because that way I know how to do this. Or I know that I'm doing this. Do press bang bye. You heard the last one. Nice, nice. Double or nothing bet. but I don't have anything else to bet on. I heard a tone, not a beep. What is the difference? Why do beeps or tones sounds like numbers? Definition of beep tone. I feel like they're the same thing. I feel like you're splitting hairs, Stonkfish. A beep has a tone? Yeah, yeah. We can all tell that it's you making the beeps? Wait, can you hear this at all? I'm gonna put my hand up before it beeps and then after it beeps. So you have like a thing. No, that was you, Tina. I didn't put my hand up. Did you hear a beep in between the hands? Oh, I can just look at my audio thing. Oh, you can't hear the beep at all. You can probably only hear the beep if I'm making some sort of background noise while it also beeps. Maybe? You can hear that one? Okay, yeah. So the noise gate blocks it out. That's funny. Okay. I had a feeling that it might do that. Trading, yes. So this should... If you speak, we can hear it. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Didn't know we were at the ENT getting a hearing test? Sneeze! Sneeze! I heard that one. Okay. So I kind of want to trade those back, unfortunately. But that's going to be really boring content. Should I try and automate another game? Should I try and automate another game? That would be the other thing to do. Otherwise, I'm out of things to do for today. Is the plushie sick? I mean, I cuddle you like a plushie sometimes. Oh? No? Okay. I heard a beep, not a sneeze. Stonkfish, you might want to get your ears checked out. Alright, I think I have to press 4 to get to the save menu. Yeah. Save. Should I automate another game? Because I'm going to need to do this trading in Arceus, Sword and Shield, and in Scarlet and Violet. Get all the Pokemon. I could go get Sword and Shield, and we can do that one. Might as well. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I'm going to go get Sword and Shield. Let me... I hope I have enough battery to do that. We'll find out. Alright, H and X and A. Which game do I have on this? Shield. Okay, I gotta go get Shield. I will be right back. I will see you in a sec. I want to fill up my water too and do some other stuff, so it'd be a bit, but I'll see you in a sec. All right, we are back, and I'm booting up. Oh, not yet. I am booting up Shield on this Switch. Oh shit. Oh no, that's fine. I think that's fine. Don't need this to go online, hopefully. We're gonna do offline trades. Automate Dark Souls 3, yeah. Devs, Hodge says, what is your guys' favorite Pokemon game? OAT. OAT. Of all time. Oat. The G of oat for Pokemon. What goes Nyana says, not that well versed in Pokemon. Why is he putting them on a hex switch? It's so I can back them up. Just so that I can back them up. Literally that. Then he sells the switch for no, I'm not selling anything. Wolford's also here. Hello, hello. Tina keeping Anthon hip with the kids' new slang. Yeah, are you up to speed on your Zoomer? Let's post Zoomer now. The alpha slang. They don't have a catchy name like Zoomer, right? Or do they? Is it Zoomer slang that is the catchy name for the alphas? Kexit says, Tina, does Anthony have Riz? Get me a magic school bus, call me Miss Rizzle. Anyway, we're gonna pretend that didn't happen. Okay, so I don't even know what's on this game. Hopefully something. Box 3 mostly empty. Let's see about box 2. Also mostly empty. We need to have a box full of Pokemon to make this work. Oh, box 4. Okay, there we go. Box 4. Perfect. Perfect. There we go. What was the pickup line? I don't think there was a pickup line either way. Are you looking for someone to go climbing with? Say nothing for 3 days and then yeah, Tina introduced me as Andrew the first time we met. To who else was there? There wasn't any of the normal boys. Was Kyle there? Troy Boy wasn't there though. Try Vanilla JS. Hello, hello. How you doing? What is the 3x3 mecha pad? Is that Kibio? It is. It is the BDN 9. Okay, that box has stuff in it. Do I have enough Pokemon on this game? Is the other question. 2 boxes. Almost. Almost enough Pokemon. How do I don't have enough Pokemon to do a full box, but we should be able to try it with some Pokemon. Oh, I don't want to trade the same Pokemon for the same Pokemon, though. Most of the Pokemon I have on this game are the same Pokemon, unfortunately. Let's put those there. And move these around. Yeah, level 5 Squirtle, that'll work. Don't mind me, just oh wait, I can't use those guys. That'll be good enough. Hopefully that'll get us. Oh, I need one more. Cryogonal, sure. It'll be the trade fodder. That'll have to do. That will have to do. Let us save on here. And I don't even remember how to get into the trade menu, so we're gonna have to figure that out. Let's figure it out over here. It is probably in none of these sound like the thing. Oh, it's in the Y menu. Right. Right. Wilfred says, I'm conflicted. I'm getting old. My fucking hamstring is on fire. Oh no. That doesn't sound good at all. Link trade, start trading, searching for another trainer. I don't even have to do a code in this game. Nice. Start trading. JS says, hey, while I have you, I'm wanting to pad out the old resume with some open source contributions. I think Python will be the easiest for me to jump into. Do you have anything in any of your projects that you're currently looking for help with? Not specifically. Not really. I'm gonna just start. I forget how this works. Babby, Olive. I don't know. You could just look for open issues. Although, to be honest, there's nothing that I'm like really pressed for. Okay, so I'm gonna run some trades manually to basically build the same system that we built on the other one. Let's. Ooh. Fine. Yeah, so we'll do the same notes. Just gonna get rid of this. Wolf goes, yeah, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I know I said welcome, welcome, but you've been here most of the stream and you've joined before, but that's the way we go. And I hope you're doing well. I watch your stream and I appreciate that you actually get work done, which is more than like 80% of the other software streamers. I mean, I don't always get work done. There's definitely some time where I don't get work done. Okay, so we have to press A, and then I wonder if that menu always shows up in the same place, because it didn't in. Oh, it does. That's actually more convenient than in arceus. But we need to press A twice to get to the trade it. Notes. Press A twice. Name over here. And then... Oh, this is in a different spot. That's actually fine. Oh, it's kind of annoying that it fades in and out like that. But let's grab a little box here. And it is in dark mode, so we need to do this. And then we press A again. Press A. And this is probably going to be really easy given what the other one did. Okay, that screen just goes away. You don't have to press A again on that. I always forget. How's work been? It's been busy. Still saving companies millions of dollars? Yeah. Yep. You know me. Always be saving other people money. So slaving away to the capitalism. Capitalism. Okay, so I think in Sword and Shield it isn't stateful. Hard to tell though. Let's do the second one. D and then A and then A. Hoarding all that open source money, yeah, all those $0. It's A and A. Oh. Why do I have a Quagsire named Morlord at level 100? What the fuck? Principal win? I'm not trying to get pro mode. I could switch companies and be probably pretty easily hired as principal, but I don't care about getting pro mode at the moment. Director, maybe if I went into management. Okay, so it is stateful. It's stateful just like in fucking arceus. So basically I'm just gonna copy paste the other script and let me trade these back so that we're back to the original state, and we'll basically just make the same thing happen. Hello, Matt Barry! Thank you for your second subscription. You get a fancy new badge. Welcome. You probably got a gift sub at some point if I had to guess. But I appreciate that. Thank you for your tier 1. Da, 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 da. You don't even get the first badge. You start at the second badge. It's so funny. Because earlier in the stream you were like, "Hello, I'm new here," but you've been here before, or at least your subscription was here before. Almost certainly you get sub. But appreciate that nonetheless. All right, why isn't it? Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is actually pretty easy. I'm gonna trade the Pokemon back, so we're in the base state again. Then we'll copy paste the script. It literally might just be replacing out those few lines, and it might just work. But what it says, would you ever work in Microsoft's infra team? They probably have many infra teams. So I don't know if that is specific enough to answer, or that I would actually want to work at Microsoft, because big companies tend to be a little bit more dysfunctional, and honestly, as Sentry gets bigger, I notice a lot of that as well. But trying to fight the dysfunction. These are working Fang politics. Yeah, politics, man. I'm sick of politics. The Nation, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Welcome. Hated everything in Instagram. Yeah. Oh, you probably, like, when did you work at Instagram? Because you might have worked with some of my former coworkers. Oh, I have gunk on my screen. Oh wait, no, that might be where the dead pixel is. Okay, so this is back to its base state. Let's copy paste and see where it goes. It's really nice though having the Fang bullet point on the resume for when you try to go somewhere else afterward. Yeah, it's a good first job, but I don't, you know, if you get a different first job, it's not gonna break the bank. All right, so scripts. Oh, I didn't even commit this. Yeah. You have a commit message? No. Add script to automate trades in Legends Arceus. Alright, so I should be able to scripts Arceus trade to scripts swsh trade. And swap out the slightly different things. And it should just work. Inverted. Oh, we should get it from our notes since I already. Then I don't have to think about it. Not thinking about it is good. Bloop, 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 bloop. And then we gotta get the trade it. I mean, they definitely reused code for this, so I'm, you know, in a way reusing code, but via copy paste. And now you might think, Anthony, shouldn't you make this dry and reusable and like the same exact code everywhere? Oh man, copy paste is so much easier to maintain here. And in fact, like, I already know that this is wrong. But I don't have a good way to check that, do I? Don't. I guess I can look for this to be whitish here. This one. Dry overrated? Exactly, Battlestar Galactica. Wolford says, February 2023, I've not coded in Python so long, and I need to go rub it and tell it I still love it. You're gonna go rub your snake. Good luck there, Wolfred. That was sus. I mean, fair. Wolfred says never mind. Alright, buddy. Fuck. I wonder if any of these pixels stay red the whole time. It looks like they do. I can probably just use this here. Did I get a color there? Hopefully. Yeah, that looks fairly red. It should work for our initial state. Yeah. Alright, and this might just work. Didn't import anything Arceus specific. Yeah, alright, so I guess we can do a little gamble then. Prediction. I thought this was going to be way more work, to be honest. And I can't actually automate Scarlet and Violet because I have not gotten far enough in Scarlet or Violet on my other Switch. So, will the trading work? Yes, no. 1 minute prediction. Let's go. Gamble your points. And Robin Hoodster, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. That's a funny name. Try Vanilla says, can I humble brag for a second? Google and Microsoft are asking me an interview for a level 5 senior equivalent position. But the roles are based on the West Coast, and I recently bought a house on the East Coast. Yeah, don't do that then. Don't give up your house to move for a company. Fuck that. I'm having a hard time justifying a potential move like that. They don't want to hire remote or hybrid. Yeah, don't move if you bought a house. Absolutely not. When it says, look, we're using GitHub. 70% of devs using VS Code, gaming or stream from Microsoft, etc. When we're talking about Microsoft boo bad, Microsoft EU, Microsoft just another company. That's not specifically why I wouldn't want to work at Microsoft. I think Microsoft is doing a lot of really, really good stuff in open source, and they've really turned around. I think they've turned around their, Microsoft bad kind of reputation. That's what I was looking for. The reason I don't want to work there is I don't want to work at a big company. Same like, I wouldn't want to work at Stripe, for instance, anymore, ever again. I didn't want to work at Stripe when I took the job there. And you can go back to my stream, and I definitely talked about this, that like I'm taking a job at Stripe because I want to get paid and because I think I could provide significant impact while getting paid there. But when I took the job, I was like, this is a bigger company than I want to work at. Well, I mean, it was a pandemic and I wanted money, so that's why I did it. But anyway, just want to make sure that's clear. Like, Microsoft kicking ass in open source, and I'm very impressed with what they're doing. But that doesn't mean I want to work there. A very angry man. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. No programmer wants to work on other people's dreams. Yeah, we just have bills. Yep, it's true. Okay, let's predictions in. Let's see how people predicted first. Oh, it's everyone yes and no one no. Well, that's no fun. I wonder if everyone loses their points if it doesn't work out. Anyway, let's try it. Scripts.swish.trade. Bop. Okay. Off to a good start. Attention, if a communication error occurs, blah, blah, blah. I don't think that's true in offline mode, though. Surely it wouldn't lock you out of trading if you're offline. It'd be pretty mean if it did, though. It'd be pretty funny. Ooh, we got more to check here. Not shiny though. Get this back so we can see it. Oh, it didn't work. Oh, because it does a save afterwards. Okay. All you believers. Oh, that sucks. That's gonna be annoying. Will the trading work? No. And here's a good reason why, like, dry would have been bad, and extreme over optimization here, because now I would have needed to add a special case for Sword and Shield that it needs to. Fuck, I don't even know what I'm gonna do here. Wait, probably just wait. I don't really care how long it takes, but I'm doing this one trade, so I reset it. Oh, for fuck's sake, eye roll. Yeah, nobody thought this would happen. I haven't seen that message before. Nobody thought this would happen. Do you get your points back, or do they just die? What happens? Did anyone get their points? I'm curious what happened here. I cancel that. No dead, along with my soul. Oh no. Oh no. That's funny. I didn't think that would happen. Alright, so probably the easiest is to what? Wait for traded. Probably just a sleep here, a little sleepy sleep. Because the save is pretty fast. Try Vanilla JS, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hey, you've been here before. You just weren't following. It's okay. That's fine. We're gonna wait. Matter if it's before or after. I don't know. We'll wait 2 seconds. Is that enough? I don't know. I'd have to look at. I'd have to look at the stream. See how long it took to say. You lost them, bro. No one got them. Oh no. Well, we'll give another chance. Wait, 2. What Python version is this? It's probably 3.10, but it doesn't really matter. Python version. 3.10.12. But soon I will be updating to my new virtual machine. 2404, which is some version of 3.12. But I gotta move all my junk over. Yeah. Yeah. Can you go back to 3.10? Have they fixed MyPy yet? Wait, what was broken? Bunny Hops, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. What do you mean if they fix MyPy? I mean, MyPy is always in some amount of broken. Alright, we're gonna try this again. Let me see if we're in the right spot. We're in the right spot. Oh, the new type syntax? I think... I don't know, I don't like the new syntax. Well, it's nice-ish in some cases, but I don't like that they made some dumb decisions about backward compatibility in it. Like, Pi upgrade can't do it. 565? I thought it was 656. 656. Shit, no. Is it really that old? No, there's no way. Let's see, pep. Typing pep. That's type keyword pep Python. 695. Yeah, I knew it had some 6s and some 5s in it. Support for this. 8 of 10 finished. In for variance. Okay, yeah, that's not there, but that's fine. Okay, yeah, so it seems like it's basically there. Minus the 2 optional things that I don't think aren't that important. So yeah, it's probably there. Alright, let's do another prediction. And a very angry man, welcome to the stream. Oh yeah, you just followed. True. That is true. Alright, will the trading work? We got yes and no. Give me another shot at getting this. Pandoxer, hello. How you doing? Trivanilla.js says try defunct to bool exception. Clean way to write function s with types. Yeah, the Python 3 typing. But there's typing keeps getting more and more things. I do like inline annotations though. That's all I got. Wait, did you put all your points in the pot for this one, Wilfred? No, I don't even see what you put in because Belwada put in more. Trivanilla.js is our doubter today. Spicy. Oh, you put all your points in the other pot, 10k. Wait, how do you have so few points? Pandoxer says big chillin' after a 50-hour work week. That's too many. Also, a timesheet with 50 hours. Shouldn't you get overtime? You're filling out manual hours. I gamble every time I'm here. Fair enough. That's fair. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. You do. You do lose some points on that. That's fair enough. Did I say that? And then I said fair enough. Yeah. No? Oh? Check the tapes? No, you're probably right. I trust you. Why are you giving me the doubt face? I don't deserve that. But why do I trust you? Yeah. Communicating. Come on. Alright. Trade start. Wait for trade in. Okay. I hope that sleep 2 is enough. Wilfred says, Anthony, is the C8 sitting or have you driven it recently? Drove it. When? I know I drove it on Thursday. Oh, yeah, we got dinner. That was on Friday? Oh, I drove it twice on Thursday. Okay, it moved over? I think. Did it? I didn't see it. No, it didn't move over. Why? Why didn't it? Hold on. I'm gonna watch this again. Oh no, Wolford, you're gonna lose more points. Mokatech plays. Hello, hello. Yeah, Corvette. Yep. The communication partner canceled the trade. What the like fucking hell I did? What? What? I didn't do that. Wait, it did move over. Well, now I don't know if it worked or not. It might have worked and I just might have confused myself. So we're not resolving the points yet. We're not resolving the points yet. We're gonna run it back because it might have worked and I might have just looked at it wrong. A shade of browns is playing the odds. Oh, okay. I think I just looked at it wrong. We're gonna run it back. So I thought the Pokemon that it was displaying there was the one I was trading. That's the one from the other Switch. So I was just confused, I think. Might just stick to blackjack at this point. At least it's not Russian roulette. Okay, we're gonna try this. We're gonna try this one more time. I think it actually worked. I think I just confused myself. Blackjack is my favorite. Isn't that? But doesn't the dealer have an edge in that one? I don't know. I feel like if I'm gonna gamble, and I don't gamble, I don't like gambling. If I was gonna gamble, I would try and pick an even game, like playing poker against people. But even playing poker against people, like it's all about maintaining composure and playing logically and not playing by feel. Oh, you played online? Oh, yeah, okay. All right, we're gonna try this again. No money, just fake. That's even better then. That's even better then. Okay. I think it actually worked last time. I think I just confused myself. But we'll see this time. I'm pretty sure the sleep waited for way longer than it needed to, because the save happened very quickly. Like, I could probably make it sleep for only a second, but I don't need to optimize 1 second in like a 60 plus second thing that I'm not even gonna be looking at. I'm just gonna fire and forget. So there's no reason to hyper over optimize that. I mean, there is. I could save tiny amounts of time. Okay. It moved over and then click trade. Okay. So it does appear to be working. We're gonna get around to the end of the line though. I haven't had beer in the stream for a while. It's true. Because Kevin hasn't been here, but Kevin's here today. But I'm also probably pretty close to ending stream. Because I think this is working. We're gonna get through the first row and then see whether it's working or not. But yeah, I haven't had a beer on stream. Just coincidence, I guess. Also, I don't know if I have nice beer in my house right now. I might just I might just have cheap beer at the moment. I'm just Molson's, yeah. I probably have at least one nice beer. Probably only one. Okay, that seems to be working, which is good. I do want to make sure that it gets to the end and wraps around though. Although we showed that worked on the other one, so there's no reason it wouldn't work here. Let's be superstitious at that point. I think this is working. This is way easier than I thought it was going to be. I still have to do Scarlet and Violet though, but I have to actually play through Scarlet and Violet again to get far enough to trade and have enough Pokeballs to catch stuff, so I will have to figure that out. Marsh's screen crap. The Discord screen crap is so funny. D-Nice says you programmed a new Pokemon. No, just new game. But yeah, this appears to be working. I'm gonna resolve this as yes, and we're gonna find someone to raid because I don't have anything else to do right now, and I am hungry for lunch. Will the training work? Yes. Sorry, doubters. Wolfer to get your points back. But yeah, that's gonna wrap us up for today. Cancel this. And Levin Dude, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. You got 208 points. Damn, nice. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So go check that out, subscribe, etc. Blah blah blah. If you missed any part of the stream, you can catch up on the VODs channel. They don't go up on Twitch due to DMCA, but they will be on the VODs channel if I remember to upload them. I forgot last week, so I still need to do that. I announce my streams on the Discord when they happen. They should almost always happen on Saturdays. Yeah, that's my consistency that I've been doing recently. But maybe I'll get back into streaming more often at some point if I feel more motivated, to be honest. But anyway, join the Discord. That's where I announce stuff. You can also hang out. There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask programming questions, and then a bunch of other fun social channels as well. Just stop by there, hang out. That's gonna wrap us up for today. Let's go find someone to raid.